First thing I'm going to do is search for the speech ROM, superior software and speech. Variant 2 looks like a good version, so click to download, and there we have it. Using the XG Pro software, I'm going to load the ROM onto the chip. So pick the variant which is there, and I want to clear the buffer and start at buffer address 0. I then want to load it again, this time at address 2000. Do not clear the buffer. Then again at 4000, again don't clear the buffer. And finally address 6000, again don't clear the buffer. And if we check through here, 0 at the top, and 2000, we'll have everything at the right place. Next thing is to program the ROM. So click Program. Now the reason we use 4 times is because the ROM's only 8K and the chip I have is 32K. So I want to make sure it's filled in all memory locations so it can be used. So that's programmed. Let's verify. I'm going to have to do this again. And it's verified that it's worked. So the next stage is putting the ROM into the BBC. So with the case open, I'm going to place the chip in ROM location 6. I'm also going to press down on the ROM board connections because these sometimes have a habit of coming loose. And there we go. With the ROM installed, we're going to check to see if it's in the available ROM list. And you can see ROM 6 speech. So let's get it to do something useful. So we can use the say command. We can change the pitch and donating different letters. If you like this video and like to see more, please like and subscribe.